Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve a simple weightless makeup look without even applying so much. And I'm going to show you that it's not really about the products you're using, but it's more about the techniques. I'm also going to be sharing tips and tricks on how to achieve a simple makeup look. So stay tuned to the end because you won't want to miss out on any of these tricks that I'll be sharing. Right about now, I am going in with my brows, and for my brows what I like to do is I like to create stroke line patterns. Found out recently that it helps you create a more natural brow shape rather than just drawing out the brow itself. If you're like me that likes fluffy brows, you can go on and add gel to your brows, but it wasn't really necessary, but I just love to do that. So right after that, I am applying concealer underneath my eyes. As you can see, I am struggling from hyperpigmentation and a lot of discoloration on my skin. So I'm just applying very little. I didn't use any brush for this. I'm just applying it with my fingers because it helps to disperse and just melt the product right into your skin rather than using a brush to apply this or even a sponge. I just find it much easier, much better to use my hands to just press it down and just blend it in the areas that I want it to be. I'm also going around my cheeks and every other side that you can see that I have some dark spots, and I am just tapping that in with very little concealer, and I'm just tapping that in and blending it out like that. These days I've been falling in love with a very simple makeup look. This makeup look ended up looking like I didn't even apply anything on my skin. But if you would check the before and the after, you would see that there's a lot of difference in this process. So I grabbed my Mary Kay foundation and I'm just dabbing in a little amount on my finger, and I'm rubbing this in with my two fingers and just tapping that right on my skin. And after I tap it, I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it out and just blend it right into my skin. You could use a sponge for this, but I feel like the technique is what gave it the natural look that it has. So I would advise you use the same technique. I didn't use any brush, just my fingers. So right now I grabbed this red lipstick shade and I'm using this as my blush. I'm just dabbing very little on my cheek. As we said before, it's a minimal makeup look. So I dab little on there and I'm blending it out. And I wasn't satisfied with it, so I went back in with a little more and I blended everything out with my finger. I also dragged a little bit onto my nose and onto my cheek like that. I also dabbed a little on my eyelid as well. So for my eyes, to make my eyes pop, I try as much as I can not to use lashes or black eyeliner or eye pencil. So I am going in with a brown eye pencil and I apply this over and under my lash line. And I'm also creating a winged shape to give my eyes a lifted look, and I also use my fingers to blend that out as well. I grabbed my mascara and I'm just going over my lashes with them. To to make sure that my concealer and my foundation last all day, you need setting powder. So I grabbed my setting powder and I am applying this all over my face, not only on the places that will be concealed, but I'm applying this all over my face, and I'm blending that in with my brush. You can see how it looks. It looks so skin-like I didn't even apply any makeup at all. So right now for my lips, I have very small lips. I prefer my lips looking plump and juicy, so I grabbed my brown eye pencil and I outlined the outer part of my lips, and I'm using my brush to blend it out. And right after that, I applied my gloss. And boom, so skin-like, so natural, so everything. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.